How we doing, everyone? Another voice recording again tonight over this video that I recorded today off my laptop. We had a pretty good day. We made $303. Not too bad, not too bad. So, $303 is fucking pretty awesome. So that puts us around six something. I'm really bad at math. 6 something for the week, and we only traded 2 days. So I'm gonna play this video. I'm gonna tell you what I was thinking, what trade I took, or show you what trade I took, and show you where it all went down. So all right, let me fast forward through this nonsense, to be honest, so we can just keep it short and sweet. We broke through this level, right? Okay, right here. We broke through this level. Next, we have another level up here, so it's a supply zone to me. Just waiting for it to get hit. Okay, so we hit, right? But there's still no setup for me, so I'm still being patient. It took me a little bit, or it took the setup a little bit to actually form up. Skip through all the BS. All right, look at this. New high. We created a new high. Saw my mouse kind of freaking out there. I was waiting for this candle to close. Skip it. Right here. Okay.
Order.
Okay, you heard that.
Order
right
filled.
You heard that. Got in at 55.31.25. Pretty good fill. Pretty good fill if you ask me. So we get in right here at the recent high. Put our two contracts in.
Order submitted.
Put it a tick above the recent high. And then we put our
Order submitted.
Our first target of the recent low of the 15 range chart where we took the trade off of. So fast forward through this. I think we hit it right here.
Order
yep.
filled.
Okay, so we got filled.
Order canceled.
We cancel out this. We cancel out the stop, and then we put our
order submitted.
Put our one last stop at break even, and then we trail the stops. Let's see how much money we can get off the table. So let me fast forward through this. So we're up pretty good for a little bit. We had a nice quick pop up though. So as you can see here, I'm moving my stop at every recent high, or if there isn't a recent high, I will move it along with the EMA. So continue that. And the reason why I'm doing this on the 2000 tick is because I'm gonna be real. I just want to lock in profits. The 15 range chart is too wide of a range. I'm sure if I left my stop at break even, I would have made more money, but it is what it is. So moving my stop on the 2000 tick chart, we almost got stopped out here. Start selling off. We got a little rocky here though. Little rocky. We started consolidating, and I think around I didn't. Here we go. I did not move my stop loss until we broke this low, so this can validate my recent high. It's just how I like to trade. So we broke it. We even opened under it. Perfect. And then I moved it again. I think right around here we got stopped out. Yeah, right here. I think one more pop up right here. And yeah.
Order filled.
We got stopped out. See me going crazy with the mouse. That's literally it. That was the trade. That was the trade. Nice, pretty good trade. A quick one, kind of. That's why I have to kind of fast forward it. A quick trade. So at the end of the month, or which is basically this week, like once my trading session is done on Friday, I will be showing you guys my monthly statement, win or loss. Because I don't want to be one of these YouTube channels that don't show you my statements. I don't want to be these YouTube channels that tell you fake shit. You know, I want to be 100% real with everyone, because a lot of people take away the reality of trading and of what it actually is. And half of these YouTubers trade on fake accounts, not fake accounts, like sim accounts. My shit's real, but the only reason why I have it blurred is because why would I want anyone looking at my account number? So that's why every month I'll show you my monthly statement and you'll see that it's a live account. But I'll be at my setup tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. So Thursday and Friday I'll be at my setup. I am off of work, thank God. And I could actually be comfortable at my own setup and actually give you guys my thoughts and just basically talk to myself and show you the trading. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'm going to be posting this tonight for sure. Just trying to get it out. Grind doesn't stop. And hope everyone enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.